Debugging robotic software through trial and error is frustrating and expensive. Some of these failures are caused by software that mishandles physical units. Phriky-Units is a lightweight command line static analysis tool to detect physical unit inconsistencies. For example, these three lines all sum to the value dist. All the variables on the right-hand side have the same physical units, meters. This term multiplies meters times meters, yielding meters squared. These terms are all meters added together, yielding meters. Adding meters squared to meters violates the rules of dimensional analysis and is physically meaningless. Developers could avoid these faults by employing annotations or specialized languages. But these solutions have not yet been widely adopted due to the large effort required. Instead, Phriky-Units detects these kinds of faults in C++ in robotic systems with no programmer annotations. Here's how it works. Phriky-Units takes two inputs, the program under analysis and the mapping of the shared libraries to physical units. During the preprocessing phase, Phriky-Units calls cppcheck to generate the abstract syntax tree, the symbol table, and the procedure list. It builds a procedure graph and performs a reverse topological sort so that it can process procedures before they are called when possible. Phriky-Units performs a visitor pattern on the abstract syntax tree of each statement, and when it finds variables, it attempts to decorate them using the mapping from the shared libraries to physical units. It then propagates these units up the abstract syntax tree toward the root using unit propagation rules. For example, consider the C++ fragment pow_x2, represented here as a part of an abstract syntax tree. The variable x is of type pose.position. Therefore, it is assigned in decoration to the unit's meters. A unit propagation rule for pow recognizes meters raised to the second power is equal to meters squared, propagating this toward the root. If the statement is an assignment statement or a return statement, the resulting units are added to the symbol table. During the detection phase, Phriky-Units first performs a scan of the symbol table. Multiple assignment can happen when a variable is reused within the program to mean different physical units. A variable can also receive multiple units when it is defined to be of one type of unit but used for another. During the second part of the detection phase, Phriky-Units scans the decorated ASTs for dimensional inconsistencies. The output of the detection phase is a set of physical unit inconsistencies that are reported to the user. We analyzed a corpus of 213 open-source robotics repositories using shared libraries. We evaluated the inconsistencies detected by Phriky-Units manually and found an 87% true positive rate for a class of inconsistencies we can detect with high confidence. Phriky-Units is a command line program. To install it, open a terminal and type pip install Phriky-Units. To try Phriky-Units, download our examples from GitHub. Then type Phriky_units, the file name to run the analysis. Phriky-Units is a lightweight command line static analysis tool to detect physical unit inconsistencies.